Howdy. we got a short one for you. I didn't do much, honestly. Didn't do a great job this week. But I did draw some more sprites for the mountains. That's about it. I shave my mustache. That's about it, guys. All right, let's look at what I did. All right. Good, baby. Ooh. Damn it. What is this? Looking good. Looking good or hardly looking, baby. Yes, sir. For instances. There's a few more cases that are left that I need to get taken care of. Spring break is coming up, so not looking good for a video potentially next week or yeah, I just don't know how it's gonna work out. I won't be in town on Friday, and I usually try to edit on Saturday, so it's not looking good. So there might not be a video for like a week or two after this mediocre video. So I know it's not a huge concern, but hopefully hopefully I come back after that 2-week hiatus. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, hiatus. Look at that. Big word, baby. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend. And maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one.